How to get Windows 10 Pro keys for $11 only. This video is sponsored by CDKoffers. CDKoffers is an online store that provides digital codes and keys from Steam keys, Uplay, Origin, PlayStation Network cards, Xbox keys, gift cards, software keys, and most importantly, Windows keys at a very low price. All of these keys works on all regions or globally. For this video, we are going to focus on CDKoffers Black Friday sale. And they are kind enough to give us a 20% discount on top of the sale if you use my code. Personally, this is where I purchase my Windows keys for my personal PCs and all of my PC builds. Let's go purchase our Windows 10 Pro OEM CD key global. That's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.